Here I've got Umidigi Z2 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select Settings. Here you will notice blocked numbers, so just enter it, and by tapping on Add a number, you can smoothly block a number by entering it over here. So smoothly enter the number that you would like to block, and then tap on Block. And this is it. As you can see, you've just blocked this number and it will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. Then if you would like to unblock some particular number, just go to the settings again, pick blocked numbers and remove it by tapping on this switcher, then click on unblock, and from now on this number will be able to reach you. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.